All right, guys, I've come across the conclusion that they don't want me to succeed. You know, again, we're having more broker issues, but those issues weren't able to hold us back from the profits. Still we able to maintain profits after the issues we had. So I'm just gonna, go into what's happened again. So this is not the first time I shot a video on my broker and issues that I came across, and now 2020 the same issues, right? So today we're able to still get a profit, a nice profit here, but we missed out on some humongous moves which we're going to break down and the issues. So first things first, APLS APLS, we got short in this. We want to get short right here at 37.30 as it made that new low. And basically what happened was the broker held the order saying risk review, so I wasn't able to short it. And then the order went through and I got filled at 37.10. 37.10. Although like the move didn't end up working, after all, I was held in the position for like 15 minutes without being able to cancel my order, right? So very frustrating. I called them. My order got canceled after 15 minutes. I only got onto the phone with them 30 minutes later, right? So way after everything, I'm already in the next trade and frustrated. You got the emotions going, but you know the trade didn't end up working, but it did hold me to not make this beautiful move here. I want to make this move here too originally at the same strategy, first 5 minute candle to make a new low. We want to enter here again, short risk review, at the perfect entry. It's like, what can we do? We can't enter the order. And as soon as I couldn't get my order in, waited, tried a couple of times, and boom, look at that. We would have had a bag today. We would have had a bag. But I had the emotions going through. I'm like, okay, they really don't want me to succeed with this, but I'm gonna maintain my discipline, maintain my focus, and I'm gonna continue to try, but still not force myself to take any unnecessary trades and wait for those discipline entries and at least grab some profit today. So we traded grub over here. I have to check my orders. We got short at 51.54. So over here, so as it broke, so we tested the VWAB. We're still above the 9 and the 20, and as we broke below here, that's when we entered for the short. We wanted to get enter on that candle, and we got that move down to where did we get filled at? 51.11 was our final fill. 51.54 to 51.11. So like a 50-cent trade there. We we got that. We took off the profit, and then we entered six was a nice one. I seen it consolidated for so long. Oh, if we're still in that, we could have the super bags. Six, we traded it for, again, it's under the VWAB, the 9 and the 20, and the 5 minute candle. We recognize it made that new low. The stop would have been up here. The stop was up here, and we're holding. You seen it shot up there. I have the live video where it's like, I'm like, okay, it's at that spot. I seen it shot up, but I'm like, okay, we're not exiting. We still have a lot of resistance above it, right? Since it had to break over the VWAB and the 20 up there. So we held our short, and a lot of people probably got stopped out, but we maintained discipline and held, and then we got a bag there, a little bag there. So overall, we would have had an extremely amazing day if we didn't come across those issues, but we didn't allow those issues to lead to any loss, right? Like for APLS, the only reason we would have took a loss on it anyways, right? But it wasn't a big one. I took limited shares. I could see 60 on that, so volatile stock. But we actually managed it well, even though we had favors working and circumstances working against us, right? So when it comes to for the future, like, that's a very frustrating situation. I went to switch brokers before, right? And then I'm like, okay, Question, they're very nice to me. They're, they was said, oh yeah, sponsorship, we can work on that for you. I I personally liked I like Questrade for my strategy specifically because it didn't give me much issues, but I guess this is the second time if you average it out, but still, that's not something we like happening, right? So we'll see what happens in the future. Many things could change, right? But we're still gonna maintain profits as usual. And I'll give you the full disclosure. I'll give you the full my full experience as you guys ride this journey with me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. You know, what are your experiences with brokers, right? Not just Questrade, other brokers, Trade Zero, Sure Traders closed down, TOS, IB, you know, MetaTrader, their platform for entries and exits, all that stuff. Let me know in the comments. I want to see if you guys have any similar experiences, how you dealt with it, and just how it went. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys again next time.